chillin', no different, we levelin'. Believe in being genuine, take your time and settle in. Yes, they might be fiddling, but if you wanna raise your bat, you better start meddling. सपना है छोटे ऐसे अपना है, चलना है बस आगे बढ़ना है. Today, tonight, your vibe and tribe. When you're denied, put on a fight.
Hi, I'm Kanishka, founder of SA Perfumes. My love for perfumes began during my childhood and has always been an integral part of my life. I remember splurging on expensive perfumes with my income at that point, and it was a big portion of it, but I could not resist. Then, life introduced me to a perfumer, my partner, who shared captivating stories about the rose and jasmine harvest for essential oil distillation. His passion for fragrances made me fall even more in love with the world of perfumes. So, when I got the chance to turn my passion into a business, you can imagine how committed I became. And I truly was. We conducted extensive research in different markets, from the French and Arab to European, and then focused on our own country, India. Here, we don't give perfumes the importance they deserve, which is why Middle Eastern brands dominate the market. India's geographical diversity offers a wealth of flora. Coming from the perfume capital of India, Kannauj, from where we belong to, we have harnessed the best technology to craft exceptional perfumes right here in India. I am confident that once you try Eze, you'll be back for more. And we offer 11 unique fragrances, each made with passion, dedication and hard work. Eze is made in India for the people of India to experience luxury perfumes like never before. Throughout our travels, we have had the opportunity to experience some of the finest perfumes across different countries, from France to the Middle East and beyond. The experience these global brands offer is unmatched, not just in their sense, but in the emotions they evoke. We wanted the people of India to have access to that same level of sophistication and creativity. India has a rich heritage, and we have the capability to produce world-class fragrances. We wanted to build an Indian perfumery house that could stand shoulder to shoulder with other global brands, not just in quality, but in the experience it offers. It all started with a simple observation. We realized that many people weren't able to enjoy premium fragrances on a daily basis. Either the perfumes were too expensive or simply didn't suit their lifestyle or environment. We wanted to change that. While we have been exporting mass market perfumes, we felt locals deserved international quality products at home, made from the finest raw materials. We also put a lot of thought into our bottle design at Eze. We wanted it to be unique, inspired by the letter E from our logo, and it resonates with the younger generation that values individuality and creative expression. But as a team, we felt strongly about doing something different, something that could really stand out and reflect our brand's bold, unique identity. That's when we came up with the idea of a spherical bottle. The concept of the spherical bottle wasn't just about aesthetics. It symbolized the idea of limitless possibilities, with no edges or boundaries, just growth and expansion. One of the biggest challenges we faced in the early days was figuring out where and how to allocate our resources. Kitna paisa kahan lagana hai was a real dilemma. Coming from a B2B background, we were well versed in that side of the business. But shifting to D2C was a whole new learning curve for us. It required a different approach. We had to adapt quickly. What really helped us move forward was being hands-on throughout the process and surrounding ourselves with the right people. Building a strong team and staying actively involved allowed us to navigate those early challenges successfully.
Today, tonight, your vibe and drive.